Hello there, YouTube. George here. Hope you're all well. And we're ready to roll here. Have our blocks, have our sand, have our foundation done. Plenty of steel in it, as you've seen. Windows out. These blocks here for the back wall. Just put that up there for now, because they've got a big huge dog in there. And he looks in over the wall at our dogs, saying lunch to himself. So all the blocks had to be borrowed in. And my old man, my brother-in-law and myself on Tuesday evening we borrowed them all in just over an hour, which wasn't bad. It was great to have the help. So we're ready to rock, so hopefully either Saturday or Monday the block layer will be here and we'll get cracking. So we're nearly ready to roll. So from up here on the roof, give you a good idea of the space we're going to gain. And all the walls will be built up as well, which should be great. Lady next door is getting hers done too at the same time. So we're kind of going halves on the middle wall, which is cool. I had to relocate the end of my doublet. It used to go over to that corner over there and along the top of the fence, but for now it's coming down here and then it comes back across to there. Happy days. Yeah, so a little bit of a mess in here. Just have kind of stuff I'm using frequently outside. Fired on the bench here. Some of the screws out of the old fence door. The ones that still had a good grip, I had to get them out with the screwdriver. And Adam had great fun smashing the most of it down. Up in the back wall he was there, and I gave him the lump hammer, and he had it all down in minutes. So he did. He had great fun. So not a lot happening here because I'm making the most of the good weather and I'm working as well, so there'll be plenty of time for all that stuff when it's piss and rain. And I want to get this up and the roof on it ASAP. So I'm not too bothered about all the rest of it. Like, there won't even be a floor in it for a while, because I have to get money together to do that. It's going to take about 3 meters or so of concrete to do the floor. And ready mix is not cheap at the moment. I think it's 77 euros plus VAT a meter. So that's the guts of 100 quid a meter all in. So I remember when I done the floor in this shed, I think there was 4 meters in this. Reason 4 meters is that where the walls are here, I put in this entire slab before the walls went up, and under where the walls are, it's 14 inches thick, and it's got rebar and all sorts of carry on in it, and where the main section of the floor is about 5 inches, and it's got steel mesh in it as well, 6mm steel mesh. So it never moved, it never cracked, and we'll be doing the same with this. We'll put steel in it so it won't go anywhere. But other than that, not much else to report. Yeah, all quiet. I'm just home from work, so I'm going to go in now and get myself horizontally polarized, and maybe watch a little bit of TV or a bit of YouTube or something, and chill out for the evening. So it'll be great to have all this extra space. I just can't wait. And a couple of new light fixtures for the new unit. Thanks very much, you know who you are. And yeah, it's cool. If anybody wants to donate anything else, all donations gratefully accepted. So yeah, it's going to be cool. It won't be all this stuff hanging up, and you know, I'll be able to thin out a lot of the stuff that's in here, and it'll make this shed look bigger because there won't be as much in it. Like, that bench is going to be gone, so you'll be walking in and out through there. You know, the lawnmower can probably stay here, so you'll have, you know, that little toolbox there, and that storage unit, that's going to be gone over there, and the big toolbox will be gone over here, soon to be replaced by an even bigger one. But yeah, like, all this is staying as it is, as I said before. So yeah, it'll be grand, because if I'm doing something out here and I'm making loads of dust or spraying stuff or whatever, I can just put a sheet across the doorway so nothing makes its way out here. And the same for the section down the end where the bike's gonna live. I'll be able to kind of close that off with a sheet or something. I've loads of old curtains here that came out of the house, and nothing to stop me putting up a rail and doing it that way. So yeah, happy days. I'm really pleased. What else did I do this week? Well, I got myself a drill in where do you call it? I got another drill in, got that in Lidl the other day. It was just the bare drill. Of course, I have a lot of the batteries, so we're quite pleased with that. I have the Impact version of this, and I have it probably about a year now, and I've worked the arse off that thing, and no issues at all. And I seen this, I think it was $29.99 for the drill, and I think a battery and 2 chargers cost me around the same. So I have an absolute load of batteries now, because all the stuff I use is all this Parkside team. So yeah, quite pleased with that. Very, very happy. And we'll make good use of that now when we're doing the roof of the shed. You know, and it's always handy when you're doing things that you have more than one drill. You know, you have a drill bit in one, or a counter bore in the other, or whatever. You know, women have handbags and shoes. I have drills and radios and you know, tools and stuff like that. So this is my addiction. So happy days. Yes, we're getting close now. Getting close. It's gonna be epic. You know, this place won't always look so bloody manic when I have more space to clear stuff out into. Of course, I'll have a bit of rewiring to do in here. I'll have to there's sockets going under the window there. They'll have to go, but that's easy. And of course, we'll have to run 2 new circuits out to the new bit. My consumer unit's up there. You can't see it now because there's stuff in front of it, but I have space there for another 2 breakers, so we'll be shoving them in there, lights and sockets. And we'll be going with these lads. These are 52 watt 1.5 meter LED, and they're in a fixture and all, so it'll be nice and easy to keep them clean, cheap to run, and they won't rust. You see these ones here, they have bits of surface rust on them, but you know, that's probably from the days where I used to be out here all that much in the winter time. Now that I'm out here as much as I can get out here, that one's gone off again. Yeah, That's an LED, that one. I'm out here as often as I can, so it's always quite warm out here. Even for me just being out here. I know that probably sounds ludicrous, but it is. Yeah, so other than that, no news, all quiet, and we'll get you in the next one. So everybody have a good weekend, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye bye.